Welcome to this tutorial. How to customize YouTube channel. Are you ready to make your mark on YouTube? Customizing your channel isn't just about aesthetics. It's about forging connections and building your brand. In this guide, we'll delve into the vibrant world of YouTube customization, unlocking the secrets to making your channel uniquely yours. Get ready to stand out from the crowd and follow the steps as shown in this video. Start by logging into your YouTube account. Click on the profile icon at the top right. Click on the YouTube Studio from the drop-down list. Click on the Customization on the right side panel. In the Channel Customization page and Layout tab, you can upload a channel trailer video for people who haven't subscribed to your channel. Upload a feature video for returning subscribers. In the featured sections, click on the Add section link, and from the drop-down list, you can choose many options like short videos, live now, create playlists, etc. Click on the Branding tab at the top. In the Picture section, set your profile picture with a minimum 98 by 98 pixels size. Next, you can set up a banner image for your YouTube channel. You can also set a video watermark, which may be your channel logo, or use the subscribe button to show at the bottom right on every video of your channel. Click on the Basic Info tab at the top. Here, you can set your channel name, a unique handle for your YouTube channel URL. Write a description of your channel. Click on the Add Language link to add a translation of your description in any language from the list. You can also add external links to your other social media pages by clicking on Add Link. In the Contact Info, write your business email for any business inquiries. Wasn't that easy? Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.